Hello, in today's video I'm gonna be talking to you about this foam gun from Harbor Freight. Hello again, so I just got this foaming gun and my car is dirty. I bought it to basically wash my car and also to use this as a gun to clean my condenser coils. I need something that's going to foam all the products. So I'm gonna try it on my car first, and then later, in the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna be cleaning my coils. So we'll see how this works, but I wanna first check it on my car. So in the package, we get this container, and looks like we have attachment with the gun, and it looks like this is a quick release that attaches right here, and of course we have instruction. And probably the more product ratio to the water is gonna give us more foam, but we'll try that. I just want to give you the close-up of the nozzle. This is how it looks in the back, and it's supposed to, okay, it's pretty easy. All right, and here we have a little filter. So I'm gonna fill it up, see how it works. I wanna give you another close-up. So inside, it looks like this. And here's a little, like a screen filter with a bunch of small tiny holes. This is probably what causes, I don't know if you can see it. So this is that filter that probably mixes the air with extra water to create a foam. According to instructions, we should fill it up with the water first and then add the soap. And they say around between 1 and 2 ounces of car soap. So I have my measure. I'm gonna give it around 2, so it's gonna be just in the middle. And for this project, I'm using Armor All Wash and Wax Ultra Shine detergent. So first I need to rinse my car, and then in a second step we can apply the cleaner. It does create a pretty good foam, I have to say. Wow. Well, I have to say I'm really pleasantly surprised that this does create a lot of foam, and I just used 2 ounces of that product that I'm using. Okay, let's go on the other side. It's almost empty when I did my car, and I used about 2 ounces. So I see a little bit of water over here. So probably those are just the leftovers. So I guess when the product is almost gone, then the container should be almost empty. I don't know, we'll see. It still creates some foam. So I want to use all of it up. So this video was about using this foam cannon, let me call it this way. It does work great. As you can see, I got pretty good foam. So for 20 something bucks, I give it thumbs up. You can probably find something maybe a little bit more efficient for 20, 30, or even $100. Some of them, they come with attachment to the regular pressure washing machine, but I didn't want to have so much pressure, so this is just perfect. So again, I give it thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.